dates back much further, to some of the earliest human settlements in the world. These cave images of a life of herding in the Lasgil wall paintings in northwestern Somalia are estimated to date back between 3,000 and 6,000 years BCE. They're the first chapter in Somalia's now largely forgotten story.
We're just known for being skinny and pirates. We're not known for having, a strong history, a strong culture. We're not known for the things that we know ourselves about. They're probably not even known by Somalis. You can walk around here and see the history of just this town itself. We have a very, very deep and long